Hello children, again I am here to teach you English literature. So today we will do the workbook, and in this the last chapter is from the stone soup. So we will do that. Open your book and a pencil in your hand. Page number 22. Page number 22. Lesson number 4, stone soup. Comprehension. Read this passage carefully and answer the questions that follows. The king of jungle. The lion is the king of jungle. It is big and strong. Now who is the king of jungle? The lion is the king of jungle. Adult lion weighs 400 pounds and stand 4 feet tall. Now an adult lion, what is the weight? The weight is around 400 pounds and he can stand 4 feet taller. If you feel the hair on its face, it is soft. You can find the lions in Africa. Mainly the lions are found in Africa. They can live for up to 15 years in the wild. Their age is about 15 years. They like to sleep in the grass at night. Lions eat meat of animals such as zebra, giraffe and buffalo. You all know that they love to eat meat of other animals. Lion live in group called prides. A group of lion is called as prides, with about 15 other lions. In their group, near about 15 lions are there. You can see here in the picture. So this was a small comprehension that was about the king of jungle, that is the lion. So let's start with the exercise part. Page number 23. Tick the correct option to complete these sentences. The lion is the king of dash. The forest, the ocean, Africa, the pride. That is the forest, or you can write the jungle. Lion are big and strong. Adult lion weighs up to 400 pounds. As we read in the lesson. Lion can live for 15 years in the wild. Lions live in groups called prides. Then come to the next exercise, that is true or false. The lion is a strong animal. That is very true. Lion does not like to sleep in the grass at night. That is false. They love to eat in the they love to sleep in the grass at night. Lion make good pet animals. No, they are not a good pet animals. They are not at all a pet animal. They are the wild animals. You can find lions in Africa. That is true. Come to the next page. Now, page number 24. Fill in the blanks. A person who cures people is called a doctor. A person who teaches student is a teacher. A person who grows food is a farmer. A person who catches thieves is a policeman. A person who repairs shoes is a cobbler. A person who sells things in a shop is a shopkeeper. So these are the one words or the fill in the blanks. Rewrite these sentences using capital letter, full stop and question mark. Did you go to school? So the D will be the first capital letter, because when we start a sentence, we start with a capital letter, and this is a question, so we will put a question mark. Then Anna is having lunch. Anna, again it is a name starts with capital, so A is capital. Anna is having lunch. Again it is a full stop. Then, because we end always a sentence with a full stop. How did you reach home? H will be capital. How did you reach home? Here, it's a question mark. This will not come, because we are asking how did you reach home. Then, we went to Joy's house. We, again W will be capital. Joy is the name, so J will be capital. House, and then we'll put a full stop after ending the first sentence. Have you seen Maya and Arya? Again H will be capital in have. You seen Maya and Arya, M and A will be capital because it's a name. So proper noun is always a capital. And then here it's a question mark. That is, have you seen Maya and Arya? So this is the these are the sentence where we used where we can sorry, how we can use capital letters, full stop and question mark in a particular sentence. Now grammar, we have done the plural forms, so we will be doing here also. Bus, the plural of bus is buses. The correct spelling is B-U-S-E-S. B-U-S-E-S. Then the next one, come to the next page. Box, boxes, B-O-X-E-S. This is the correct one. Dress, dresses, D-R-E-S-S-E-S. This is the correct form. Babies, B-A-B-I-E-S. Instead of Y, we will cut Y and put I-E-S. Table, tables, T-A-B-L-E-S. Again, there are more plurals asked. Book, books. Chair, chairs. Teacher, teachers. Head, heads. Fruit, fruit, fruits. Uncle, uncles. Pen, pencils. Stone, stones. So these are the plural forms. These are very important plurals. Please learn it very carefully. We will do the revision of plurals in the revision part. Now, rewrite the sentences using contractions. I hope you remember that in the reader book, that main book, we have done should plus not is shouldn't, the short forms. So here also we have to do it like that only. These are the contractions. How we use the in the short form. Like, we are not going to the park. We aren't going to the park. And here are not will be written as A-R-N''S-T. Then, she is not my sister. She isn't my sister. I-S-N''S-T. We did not play tennis yesterday. We didn't play tennis yesterday. Didn't, it will be like this. Then, Meeta and Amit have not gone to school. Meeta and Amit haven't gone to school. H-A-V-E-N''S-T. He is my best friend. He, S, my best friend. He is written in the short form like this. This is a new word, so please do it carefully. They are. Now they are is written like this. They, S-R-E. They are writing. So this is the one. So these are contractions that we have done in that book also, and this book is also there. Then come to the next part, the last page. That is page number 26. Now this is the exercise given. Let's make two shopping lists. One list is for the grocery and the other is for the chemist. Choose the things from the box and write them in the correct list. Now we have to prepare two lists, grocery shop and the chemist. Grocery shop mean where we can get the daily use things, and chemist means where we get the medicines and all things in from the chemist shop. So we have to do what? We have to segregate these things in this list. Milk we get from grocery shop. Then ointment we get from the chemist. Snacks we get from grocery shop. Juice we get from the grocery shop. Biscuits again from the grocery shop. Syringe is we get from the chemist. Band-Aid again we get from the chemist. Rice here in the grocery shop. Sugar again here in the grocery shop. Then cough syrup, cotton roll and tablets, these all will come here in the chemist shop, chemist list, because these all things we get from the chemist shop. So here we have completed the syllabus. Now the next video I will make on the plural, and I will tell you what to learn from this book also. So we will do the revision in the next video. Till then, please copy down all the things in your book and start learning. Thank you and have a nice day, children.